Yes, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. Good morning. And today is another video again. And I think this will be my last, or my second to the last video. We don't know. Maybe I can make another video for tomorrow here in Miani. But now we're traveling, going to the salt mine. What is that name? Salt mine, brother? Do you know the name? Khewra?
What?
That salt mine?
Khewra.
Okay, by the way, just we can call this salt mine only. So from Miani,
Khewra is a place name.
okay, from Miani, we will travel about 2 hours. 2 hours from Miani, so before we can reach the salt mine. So now we are traveling. We are only two motorbike. It's me and my brother Jangir and Mazarbay and his what you call this? No, his not nephew, his son-in-law, and his nephew also. Yes. So we are two motorbike only traveling there. So after we can show you some roads also. Maybe we can encounter something that we can show in the video, or directly we will be there in the salt mine, inshallah. Yes guys, I stop by. I go down to the motorbike because Jahangir is going there. This bridge, Mazarbay and I, inshallah. So we'll go to this bridge, to cross this bridge going there, inshallah. So this is very good, huh? In the map, as you can see from Miani to... Yes. From Miani to... going there. There is 2 ways. So I think we are... Yes. So I think we are using the 3rd way.
Don't disturb me, brother. If you go back and
Huh?
stay stable.
What?
Stay stable, don't disturb me.
Okay. Yes, because this is very narrow road, as you can see in the video. So we need to be steady only. So you need to be a good driver here, motorcycle driver, so you can pass through this one very smoothly. Otherwise, it will be a problem for both of us. Once it hit the rails, so too much problems. You can see downside, there is some river here also. It still have some water.
Yeah, this is not come too much already.
Not too much water, but still have some.
Yes.
But I think if there is a lot of water too much, very good, huh? Very nice. This, what you call this?
What?
This area is what you call now? This is not Miani now, right?
No.
Okay. So guys, this is not the Miani now itself. So this, you can see there is another place for people to go. Oh, problem is if people is walking only, right?
Yes, nothing else.
And same like this guy is
Milk.
he occupy already all the space. So people will just go at the top. Too much problem, muskila. See, there is something also behind us. So, I'm stable?
No.
No? Okay, sorry. I need to be stable to keep us safe here. Huh?
Yes, who have milk?
Ah.
He is making problem for us.
Because of this slowly. And if it's slowly, more problem, right?
You see, you are pushing me.
Okay. Oops.
Take your,
See, downside there's some water already. Oh, it's a long bridge also, huh?
Yeah. very big.
And you will just see that same like this a short bridge, but it's a long one. So means there's a big river here. Only the river is not that full water, but still very good. So there's some woman here, so I will take care of making the video. Okay. Because of that guy who having a milk. Now it's probably for some people who is walking by to pass through with the opposite direction. So now we pass already, and there is the. Actually, this is very good adventure, brother. Huh? From here already itself, we have adventure already. MashaAllah. And this, as you can see in the middle, this in the middle is railway. So because train is coming from this way also, so that's why having like this bridge, not only for train and also for the people who is going from place to place, from both sides of this bridge. MashaAllah. But I think this bridge is also long time also, huh?
Yes, very long.
Now we are at the end of this bridge, Alhamdulillah. So do I need to go down also? Huh?
No.
No need? See? This is where we are going down. Oh, too much so. Oh. Alhamdulillah. Yes. So I think we are a little near already because once we cross the bridge, this is one of the thing that we are near already to this the mountain of salt mine. So as you can see, there's still some dusty here, some rocks. Only some trees you will see mostly here. So,
Khewra Salt Mine.
huh?
Khewra Salt Mine.
Okay.
Second
It's largest salt mine in the world.
Yes.
And also the first one is Pakistan also, right?
No.
Where?
Somewhere else.
Somewhere else?
But this is in Pakistan, so
But this is pink salt, right?
pink salt, yes.
Masha. Also means pink salt, it's Himalayan salt. MashaAllah. And as I heard, I think also this is one of the main source of income here in Pakistan.
Not main.
One of the main.
Yes.
Because the too much production from here.
There is a part for income, but still not main.
Still not main because there's a lot of agricultures and everything. So we need to pass through these trucks because there's too much dust behind. So we will be showering by dust if we will not pass through this truck. So we are here now again. I will make a video again later if there is something that
Sure that.
this is our partners here. Oops, Mazhar Bhai and Amir Bhai together. See? Kalas. Okay. Okay, I will show you again later if there is something that we can show you in the video, inshallah. So another stopover now. We are here for the shop for Sardaya. See, these two guys, Amir Bhai is there. This is what they call Sardaya. See? It's like no. So Sardai.
मुल्तान तो आया या ये तेरे गाली लगता ही नहीं ये ठीक है
Why always asking it Multan? Huh?
दंगी बैठी
Mostly people from here in Multan?
ऐसे पक्का हो ना को लेने और क्या समझ लिया था ये जो जाके नहीं थे कितना पानी वेस
Alhamdulillah. So if you are here in Pakistan, if you will see like this design in the road, colorful, you will see. If you will see like this, Pakistan like this colorful, surely this is Sardai. Okay, after again, we'll make a ride again now. So we will see when we will stop over again. Yes, new update everyone. Oh, as you can see, we are wearing now this cloth because too much dust on the road. And now we are seeing now the mountains here. So I think we are very near already to the location itself. So I don't know. All of us is first timer coming here, going there also to that salt mine. So we're just going to ask for someone who the way going there, inshallah. So means this railway is not working anymore, right?
Yes.
Because this railway is already, what you call this? Already by. Same like this one. No more. Oh, this one, brother, right side. PMDC Salt Mine Depot. Khewra. This one. Right side, right side. Huh? Where we will go? This one. That is not for visitor. So here is
place is other. This is
for the salt mine itself.
there are store outside.
Okay. So this is Mazarbay and it's Amerbay.
This all product of made by
By the salt, yes, mashallah. Brother, possible I can buy also like this, but this is too much heavy, huh?
No problem, small.
Small we can buy for the display.
Yeah.
Yes, mashallah, this is very good. I will buy something for display. See, someone is selling here some bakri. This visitor salt mines, Khewra, mashallah. See, there's this guys. PMDC. Mashallah.
Very small.
Yes, there is small.
Allah Akbar.
I will buy this one, inshallah. So I think this is the gate. We need to put the we need to put the vehicle here. So or you go first there. What do you think?
ऐसा ही तो दियो ये अंदर विजिट करना में मोटरसाइकिल है खिलाना
So we'll just walk.
पर्ची क्या देनी है पहले लेनी है या बाद में
So they are telling the motorcycle is only here. Then I think we will just purchase some ticket here going inside. So you can see this Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation, means PMDC, Office of the Chief Mining Engineering Salt Mines, Khewra. Oh, why we are leaving our motorcycle here? Huh?
now inside is walking only and making video
So inside is walking only and making video.
yes
So you should keep your other video equipment.
Yes, sure, inshallah.
Take.
I will.
No, this one. I mean the 360. Take.
I can?
Yes.
This time?
Yes. You can make also. 360 is now your responsibility. So we enter now this gate and then we are going to walk from here. So you can see this is a mountain also. Some mountains, but I don't know where we are going, where we are heading. Maybe from that mountain top side there. Hello, what is your name? Good? Uh-huh. So we are done already our hammam. So we are fresh. Alhamdulillah. So this is the entrance, I think. Going to that bridge.
لا لا نعم.
कह रहे हो तो अंदर जाना पड़ा टिकट लेना पड़ा
Alhamdulillah. बस
अंदर कितना सफर है
सम्राट के 3 किलोमीटर पास उन्होंने 400 में
it's very cold.
उन्होंने 600
But the thing is, after very cold,
है?
my throat again. But what is,
All also.
what can we do?
ट्रेन में कोई टाइम टेबल
So, what can we do? It's already too much hot, so we need to drink something cold also. Yes. So I thought we are going directly there. So once the ticket is only for the vehicle only.
Entry.
Yes. No, I mean there what we paid there is only for the parking of the
There?
yes motor.
Yes.
And here we need to purchase a ticket going to this salt mine. So once we go from that entrance, you go straight from this bakala. You need to go upside, left side of this bakala. So there is the ticket counter. I don't know why my voice is seem like echoing. Right?
Because you are coming up.
Really? So my voice is echoing and this is the ticket station, ticket counter. So let's see here. It was exhausted already. Not exhausted, Scenic. Oh. Adult without train is 400 per head. See. Students, valid students, so I'm not a student, senior citizens, for an adult without train, $20. Paying per. How much for you 400 rupees? For me $20 per head. How much $20? How much $1? 1 rupee. Ar-Rahman. Ahmad. See, there is some names of Allah. Ar-Rahman, Ahmad, Ar-Rahim, Hamid. You see? He's saying hi guys. So this is Ar-Rahim, Al-Malik, Mahmoud. Assalamu alaikum. Mali. Huh? No, not for Chinese. Filipino. Yes. So they are thinking I'm Chinese. So I tell them no, I'm not Chinese, I'm Filipino. Salam. Huh?
क्या हुआ
क्या हुआ? I'm
टिकट नहीं दे रहे
I thought, this two guys is came here by motorbike also from Lahore, directly from Lahore. It's good, huh? The name of Allah is coming here. Al-Aziz, Al-Jabbar, yes, Al-Shahid. Oh, malo. 99 names of Allah. You remember? Really? MashaAllah. So, for me, it's 5,000 plus because I'm a foreigner. Assalamu alaikum. So because I'm a foreigner, so for them 400 rupees only per head. So it takes only 1,200 for the three of them. So this is the salt mines Khewra by PMDC. So now this guy is here. See? Hospital Asthma Resort. What is this? Hospital Asthma Resort, 150 meter, 1,000 meter. Ah, so there is something that you can have some rides here also. There is 100, 200. Okay, good. Rickshaw is available also. Salamat. Brother, this one I need to.
Name?
Yes,
Yes, after when we come back, you can.
yes,
But
possible.
you will find for you, but for your friend, maybe not.
Why?
Bhoot Bangla. Ita ke Jinshin Han?
Bhuut Bangla? Even there is some horse.
Yes.
See, there's some rickshaw also here. So this we're going there. It's good that there's some sheds also, so you will not feel too much hot. There's some hole also in that area. I don't know if you can see some hole there. Maybe there is still some people is still mining there. See, nice one. Even it's hot weather, there's some shelter, some sheds here. So we're walking there, going to the main entrance is no problem. No issue with this. Oh, this one some waste also. See, that guys I think that finished already to live here. Salaam alaikum. Hello. So they just finished already. Finished visiting the salt mine, so they're telling hello, guys. Oh, I think this is the trend that they're telling from this road. Yes, I think this is it. So we'll see. But this is the main entrance, so we'll see. We'll wait for them. 3 hero. 1, 2, 3. Because they are all wearing whites. See, mashallah. Ah, still fixing this train, that's why. Salamat alaikum. Salam. Oh, this is the entrance. Class. Only sound. So, this is, what is this? Salt mine, Khewra. 1916, too much time.
Sure. Yes.
Yes, cool.
हाँ?
ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ
क्या कोई
क्या
हिसाब
जरूरत है
है?
ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ
क्या हिसाब है?
ਸਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਨਾਲ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਕਰਿਆ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦੇ ਦੋ ਦੇ ਦੇਣਾ ਕੀ ਮਸਲਾ ਸਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਮਾਈ ਸ਼ਾਈ ਲੈਣ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ
ਕੀ ਪਤਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਾਂ ਜੀ ਬੰਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਲੈ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਨਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਰੋ ਮਾਂ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੇ ਵਾਪਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਮਾਂ ਜੀ ਦੇ
ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ
ਹਾਂ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮਾਂ ਜੀ
I don't know what they are discussing. I don't understand what they are saying.
ਦਿੱਤੀ ਕਦੋਂ ਨਾ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਦੇਣੇ ਹੋ ਮੇਰੀ ਸਮਝੋ ਨਾ ਪਿਆਰਿਓ ਗੱਲ ਸਮਝੋ ਨਾ
What they are discussing.
ਚੀਜ਼ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਦੇਣੀ ਅਸੀਂ
Just
ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਭਾਈ ਇਹ
ਮੈਂ ਬੇਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਥੀ ਮੈਂ ਕੁਝ ਲੈ ਸਕਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਕਮਰਾ ਅੰਦਰ
So we need to walk on the left side of the road, huh?